Hello everybody, through this video today let us discuss order of adjectives. Adjectives are one of the important parts of or components of parts of speech. Adjectives play a very important role in describing a noun or a pronoun. So, what is an adjective? Let us recall the definition. An adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives usually give information about color, number, quality, quantity, size, shape, order, origin, etc. So, when you use the adjectives, we must be very meticulous. If one adjective is there, then we just use that before a noun which we are going to describe. But if more than one, that means 2 or 3 adjectives are being given, then we must follow some certain order in the use of the adjectives. Okay. Otherwise, we will not be able to convey the appropriate meaning. Let us discuss the order of adjectives through this video. Order of adjectives. Adjective order. When using more than one adjective to describe a noun, place the adjectives in the following order before the noun. We must follow some certain order in using the adjectives before the noun, and we usually use no more than 3 adjectives preceding a noun. So, maximum we are permitted, or we can use 3 adjectives before a noun which we are going to describe or add some details. Let us see the order. See, remember this order: first opinion, next dimension, next age, next shape, afterwards color, origin, and finally material. So, you can remember this first letters O, D, A, S, C, O, M. You can form a code, or you can invent or create a code of your own in that order and remember that. Opinion means, what is opinion? An interesting book, a boring lecture, so interesting. What kind of book? Interesting. What kind of lecture? Boring. So, you are giving your opinion about the book and lecture, that is what you call opinion. Okay. View. Dimension. So, dimension means what? Measurement. So, a big apple, a thin wallet. What kind of apple? Big, size. Wallet, thin. So, these are dimensions. Age, a new car, a modern building, an ancient ruin. So, what kind of car? New. Okay, it is age. Modern means recent, latest. Ancient, very old. So, this kind of adjectives refer to age. Next, shape, a square box, an oval mask, a round ball. So, round, oval, square, these are figures, that means shapes. Next, color, a pink hat, a blue book, a black coat. So, these are colors. Okay, they give what kind of, what color of. Origin, some Italian shoes, a Canadian town, an American car. So, Italian, Canadian, American means from which country they were made. Italian shoes means shoes made in Italy or by Italians. Town, one of the towns in Canada, Canadian town. American car, a car made by America. Material, so a wooden box, a woolen sweater, a plastic toy. So, material, wooden means wood, wool, plastic. They will tell of what material a certain object is made. So, we have to use the adjectives before the nouns in this certain order. Okay. Once again, opinion, dimension, age, shape, color, origin, and material. Next, let us see the information here. Here are some examples of nouns modified with the 3 adjectives in the correct order based on the list above. You have just discussed the list. According to the list, we are going to use here. So, you remember the order of the adjectives so that you can use them in the perfect order. Notice that the adjectives are not separated by commas. When you are using more than one adjective, that means 2 or 3 adjectives, you need not place any comma splitting or separating the adjectives. Okay. Let us see here. First sentence, a wonderful old Italian clock. So, here wonderful is an adjective, that is of opinion, old is Italian origin. We discussed that earlier with examples. Remember the order and their meaning. Next, a big square blue box. See, big, dimension, square, shape, blue, color. Follow this order when you want to use more than 2 or 3 adjectives. A disgusting pink plastic ornament. So, disgusting, what kind of? Disgusting means opinion. Next, pink, color, and next plastic, material. Okay. See the order, whether we are sticking to the order that we discussed earlier or not. Some slim new French trousers. So, slim, some is the subject here, slim, dimension, new, is, French. What is it made of? In which country? France. So, French trousers, origin. Next, adjective order quiz. So, you have understood what is an adjective, what is the use of an adjective, what is the function of an adjective, and next in which order we have to set or arrange the adjectives before a noun when there are 3 or more than 3 adjectives. Now, let us see or practice some questions under adjective order quiz. How well you understood this topic. Okay. First, I am going to give you some questions. Afterwards, I will reveal the answers and check whether your answers or your guess is correct or not. Place the 3 adjectives in the correct order before the noun. Let us proceed. Book, interesting, small, Spanish. So, book is noun, and before the noun you have to place these 3 adjectives, interesting, small, Spanish. And what order do you follow here? Guess the order of the adjectives that you use before the noun book here. Hope you have guessed. I will reveal the answer now. An interesting small Spanish book. Interesting opinion, small size, Spanish origin. Assess your performance. I am going to give you a question and display the answer. Opinion, old, boring, American. Here opinion is noun, it is not used as adjective, and the remaining adjectives are which describe opinion, old, boring, American. Use this old, boring, American, these 3 adjectives to describe the noun opinion in the correct order that we discussed earlier. So, guess it. I am going to reveal the answer. A boring old American opinion. So, boring means opinion, old means age, American means origin. So, we are following the order. Next, picture, modern, ugly, rectangular. So, what is the noun here? Picture. Modern, ugly, rectangular are the different types of adjectives we are going to use in different order. And let us see the answer. An ugly, modern, rectangular picture. So, what is ugly? Opinion. What is modern? Age. And what is about rectangle? So, rectangular is shape here. We are following the stipulated order here in every example. Apple, ripe, green, delicious. So, apple is being the noun, and we are going to use these 3 adjectives in the correct order before the noun apple. Guess the order. Let me reveal the answer. A delicious ripe green apple. Delicious means tasty. Opinion. Ripe is green color. Suit, woolen, large, black. Suit is the noun here, and the adjectives we have to place in order are woolen, large, black. So try it. I give you just 5 seconds. Try to guess the order and frame the sentence in correct order of the adjectives. A large black woolen suit. Large size. Okay. Black color. Woolen material. Okay. You can also think large as opinion here. No problem. Okay. Large comes under opinion also, because big, small also used earlier as opinion. Next, house, beautiful, modern, small. House is the noun and the remaining adjectives are beautiful, modern, small, and use them in correct order before the noun house. A beautiful, small, modern house. Beautiful, opinion. Small, of course, size. And next, modern, age. Magazine, German, slender, strange. So magazine is the noun and the adjectives that describe the noun magazine are German, slender, strange. Let us see the order. A strange, slender German magazine. Strange, opinion. Slender, dimension. German, origin. Cap, cotton, funny, green. So cap is being the noun and the adjectives are cotton, funny, green, that are used to be to describe the noun cap. Can you guess that order? A funny green cotton cap. Funny means opinion. What kind of? Color, green. So cotton, material. So with this I am going to conclude this video, and after watching this video take some examples, from a book or from on your own. Try to take any 3 adjectives and try to use before a noun and check whether you use it in correct order or not. So if you practice daily some examples, you know that practice makes everybody perfect, and you can use the adjectives in correct order. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.